So welcome back to netport.com tutorial on creating the calorie counter application. I just want to remind you, if you are stuck on something, you can always go to my website and just click on download the Android project file on the page that you want. If you are on creating the XML design, then number 8, you can download the number 8 tutorial files. And if you are number 9, then you can download number 9. So it's under my Android location and all the way at the bottom, Calorie Counter app. Here are also the things for getting the dates and other cool tutorials. What I was thinking now is that we have said in our goal table that we have BMR, we have the energy with activity, and we have activity and diet. And I don't think it's enough, because the proteins, carbs and fat are only with diet, so I think we should copy them and have proteins BMR, proteins carbs, proteins fat, no fat BMR, like this, and the same with activity. So just calculate them, and then we have energy with activity and diet, and this is the proteins with activity and diet, fat, and so now we have everything. And I was also thinking, if we don't do an activity this day, then we need the energy without the activity, but with diet. So energy on energy diet, proteins diet, carbs diet, and fat diet. So I think our table is much more complete now. It's a lot of fields, but it's okay. And now I will increment the database version to 51. And we will go to our sign up goal. And of course these are not correct now, because this will be with activity and diet, goal carbs with activity and diet, and goal fat with activity and diet. So let's just try to run the code just to see that we didn't get any errors. Okay, we're back, blah blah blah, 184, 90 kilo, moderate, sign up, target weight 80, let's go. So let's expect the table. And here we have it. So this is this program. Can you export the table? No. Notes, fat, carbs, proteins, and this is energy. So it's very good. So we just need to fill the other gaps here that we're missing. close this, close this. So we have age, height, start calculation. So let's go to TB adapter. So this is energy BMR. So start calculation. So we'll make a new field here for BMR. So here we know this is, and then here is BMR. This is with activity. So here we are updating goal energy BMR. Now we need to have the protein, carbs and fat. And what we are trying to update now is BMR. So I'll make it proteins BMR, carbs BMR, and fat BMR. Proteins SQL BMR, fat, carbs, and the field names are called proteins BMR, called carbs BMR, called fat BMR. And here energy with activity and diet is now BMR. Okay, now we have updated protein, carbs and fat with BMR. Next is I had a little bit typo here. Okay, so now next is energy diet, proteins diet, carbs diet, and fat diet. And we haven't calculated it, so we have to make a new calculation for it. So just call it diet. I think I will just make a 1 here. This is number 1. This is diet is number 2. With activity is number 3. And so let's make the diets. So we had a double weekly goal here somewhere. So I'll just move it to here. So we have a double kilocal. And then we need to have an energy diet. So energy diet is the BMR minus kilocal divided by 7 for lose and for gain. And then we just need to insert it to the SQL. And the table name is, or the field name is goal energy diet. Okay, it looks great. Now the next ones are proteins diet, carbs and fat diet. Fat diet, proteins diet, carbs diet and fat diet. Same for SQL. And it will take the energy diet. The first field was goal proteins diet, goal carbs diet and goal fat diet. Okay, this is done now. The next is I think we want to try it now. Okay, so we are now running, so let's just try to put some data in here. And let's inspect the database, so no errors, so that is very good. Goal. Yeah, so everything is filled in. Now we have these 3 fields left, and then we are finished. So the 3 fields are energy with activity, proteins and carbs with activity, and fat with activity. So this is number 4, and it's with activity and diet. And this is with activity, the one we are doing now. Proteins with activity, carbs with activity, fat with activity, with activity SQL, SQL and SQL. SQL, SQL. Okay, now we have carbs. And the last one is fat. Oh, this is not correct. Yeah, let's take proteins with activity. Carbs with activity. And then fat with activity. And the number they are going to use is energy with activity. So let's run the program now and see that see if we get everything correct. Let's go. Okay, inspect. everything is correct. Just a reminder, my website, you can get all of the source code for this program.